Toastmasters, despite serious warnings from my mother and my wife, I and my father switch on the TV at the top end of the volume to witness the craziest, noisiest, vehemently argumentative person on the earth. Yes, you are guessing it right. Insane debate king Arnab Goswami. And today we have 6 of them in this avatar of distinguished Toastmasters. It is a clash of titans, war of ideas and words. And to organize this clash of titans, we have our own Rajat Sharma. Toastmasters, please welcome Toastmaster Ronak to take us through this nail-biting debate session. Over to you, Toastmaster Ronak.
Thank you, Toastmaster Kunjan. Well, the moment for us to hear from the presence of 6 DTMs in ICAP is here. It is an extremely a unique moment for us when first of all, ICAP having 6 DTMs. I mean, a club having 6 DTMs. I don't know how many clubs will be having it, and to have a presence of them in one single meeting and all of them speaking one after another is a rare moment to witness. And I have been lucky to give a topic. Generally, people dread to give topics to DTMs and mentors because we feel that whether it is appropriate or not, but now it is a time for debate. So whatever inhibitions I had left it behind, and I have laid it on the floor for all the DTMs to come out with it, defending their opinions with astute speaking ability. So without taking much time, I have already circulated the rules to the participants. There are two teams. So can I have the names of the captain of team team Raghu, Panchu, and
our captain is Shaukat
ji, and the team captain of the opposite team,
DTM Sanjay.
So can we have Sanjay ji and Shaukat ji unmuted, please? So can the gentlemen have a gentleman's agreement on who will call the toss?
Shaukat ji will call the toss.
I think the more handsome person is Toastmaster Sanjay. He has the automatic.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. So the humble DTMs, you have to be more humble, and the most humble will be getting the opportunity to call them. So can
okay, I'll take a call. I say heads.
So you say head, and I will now share my screen, wherein you will be able to see the screen. Can I have the participants muted now? Yeah. So the call is heads, right? Humble Shaukat ji. Yeah. So now I will flip it. And heads it is. Heads it is. So now I request DTM Shaukat ji to. Now I'll propose the motion. The motion is, it is resolved that seeing is believing. So will Shaukat ji and team will be in favor or against the motion?
We will be against the motion.
So team Shaukat ji will be against the motion and team Sanjay ji will be in favor, in affirmative side. So it is resolved that seeing is believing. I am sure after the debate and before the debate, our opinions are different. And seeing is believing will become believing in what is we are seeing, or it need not be seen if you want to believe it. So I am sure DTMs will come together and try to convince us the other way of our opinion. So I've already communicated the rules to everyone, all the debaters, just for the benefit of all the members. the affirmative team captain will start the debate, followed by the negative team captain, and according to their selection, the next two speakers will speak one after the other, followed by a summary by the team captains again. The only thing is that in the summary, the last speaker will be the team captain of affirmative team. So the debate will commence with the affirmative team and end with the affirmative team. The timing criteria are already circulated. The first speaker will have 5 minutes. Now I will call upon DTM. Is Darshanand there? Darshanand? Yes. So Darshanand, can you just run through the timing criteria for all the speakers or debaters?
Yes. Good evening, everyone. Let me take you through the timing criteria for today's debate. The first speaker and the second speaker, who would be the captain of the team, would be given 5 minutes, wherein at 3 minutes I will display green signal or green color. At 4 minutes I will display yellow color, and at the end of 5 minutes I will display red color. This will be followed by the team members who would be supporting or who would be against the debate. So for them, the timing criteria is 3 minutes, wherein I will display the green color at 2 minutes, yellow color at 2.5 minutes, and red color at 3 minutes. The last two speakers would summarize the conversation. For them, the timing criteria would be 2 minutes, wherein at end of 1 minute I will show green color, and 1.5 minute is yellow, and 2 minutes is red color. There won't be any grace time that is allowed, and the speaker will be stopped immediately after the red color is displayed. So that's it from my side, and all the best to all the speakers.
Thank you, Darshanand. The only and the most important point which remains to be told is that in the summary, that when both the captains summarize, there cannot be a new point. No new point can be added in the final summary. If the opposite teams feel that they need to object, they need to send me a voice message or text message. I will forward it to the judges group for them to take a informed decision. So, are you ready? Both the team Shaukat and team Sanjay, DTMs. So now I will request DTM Sanjay, who is on the affirmative side. Can you hear me, DTM Sanjay?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Raunak, one point. Who will be the second speaker and this third speaker in the opponent team?
That they will tell, and as we will come to know as and when they come to speak.
Okay.
So, Sanjay ji, did you pin the timer?
No, I did not pin the timer here.
Yes.
Okay, I have pinned him now.
Okay, so you have 5 minutes. At the end of 5 minutes, I will start speaking and everyone should start clapping. We will not allow, there is no grace period at the end of the 3 minutes. So it is resolved that seeing is believing. DTM Sanjay.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening and welcome to this debate on the occasion of 400th meeting of ICAP Toastmasters Club. The resolution for today evening is seeing is believing. Now the literal meaning of this quote, seeing is believing, as per the Cambridge Dictionary is, when you see something yourself, you tend to believe it that it is true or it exists, despite the fact that it could be extremely unlikely or unexpected. Now, seeing is not only the physical act of seeing. Seeing is also evidence or scientific proof. In simple terms, People believe what they see. In other words, I would say if you present a statement or assertion to someone, he would not believe it unless you support it with evidence or proof. Therefore, my dear friends, we strongly support this resolution. As it is said, the proof of pudding is in eating. In law, you cannot hold a man guilty unless it is proven with evidence and proof. Even the science does not believe in anything unless it is supported by evidence. The latest example being the development of vaccine for the current pandemic. No one could believe the efficacy of the vaccine unless it is proven with evidence, with the tests and the analysis. Even the pandemic, initially, the people considered it as an hoax or a non-possibility unless they themselves saw the devastating impacts of the pandemic. The science, who could have believed few decades ago that machine could do the work of humans, until the time we had the smartphones in our hands, driving the cars with navigation systems, self-driving tools. Then now we believe that yes, machines could do the things for humans. Leave aside the scientific things. Few decades ago, who could have believed that the man could walk on moon? Until the time Neil Armstrong actually walked on the moon. Or who could have believed that man could climb the Mount Everest until the time Sir Edmund Hillary actually achieved this remarkable feat? Who could have believed that a cricketer could score a quadruple century in a test match until the time Brian Lara achieved this remarkable feat? My dear friends, we have many people who even doubt the existence of God, since they have not seen the God. People do not believe unless they see. Swami Vivekananda, he traveled length and breadth of India in search of a person who could show him the God until he reached Calcutta and met Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, who showed him the God. Only then Swami Vivekananda believed in the existence of God, and rest all is history. This is not a story invented by me. It is all there in the biography of Ramakrishna and Vivekananda. And I am sure all of you are not going to believe me unless you see it yourself. Even then you will not believe it because you have not seen the miracle happening in front of your eye. Therefore, my dear friends, the resolution, seeing is believing, must stand. Over to you.
Can we have 1 minute of silence for judges to mark their ballots? Thank you. Now, may I invite the team captain of negative side, DTM Shaukat. Please put your hands together for DTM Shaukat.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ronak, my fellow Toastmasters, judges, and all of you all, my friends. It's a very simple thing. And what he says is, what the other side is saying is, seeing is believing, simple. So if you do not see, you do not believe. That's what they're supposed to say. Somehow they have tried to shift the topic, but the point is, what they have to basically say is that if you do not see, you do not believe. That's a simple thing. And therefore, it's a very strange way they can come out with. But I would say, when they talk about spirituality, you and me know. I wish somebody could see the God, but it's difficult. We believe from faith, not from seeing. If you were to believe only this way, poor guy, poor blind person, what would happen to him? He could not believe anything. When you look at something, take the case of a magician. Would you want to believe what he sees? Because that's what the other side has to tell us, that whatever you see, you believe. That's what they're trying to say. That's the topic given to them. So if you see a magician take out a bunny from the hat, you will believe that there's a bunny in the hat. That's what they want to say. For me, I'm sorry, I don't. And I think all of you all will agree. It's like putting horse blinders on you and saying, now only what you can see, you believe. But that's not true. It's so clear. Let's take us, most of us out here are accountants. And we come from a background where we say, we have seen things like in our balance sheet called intangible assets. Intangible. Can you see it? No. But you still believe it? Oh, yes. Do you still manage to create a value for it? Oh, yes. Another famous one, which we all like, goodwill, which all of us have in so much abundance. And we can value it, but can you see it? And accountants are the most conservative lot amongst us all. I'm sure you will all agree. And we believe it. We don't need to see it. We very clearly believe in it. So we got very clear fundamentals out here. You don't need only to see to believe. You can go further. And this is what they have to keep saying, only see to believe. No. Let's say we take up something new, like we take up a UFO, unidentified flying object. How many of you all believe in it? I'm sure many do, but many don't. Even if I show you photographs, I tell you, go to the net and see, people have said that it exists. You will not believe it. Just by seeing it, you will not believe it. And I think our worthy opponent also has agreed to the same point. So thank you for that. But the point is that you have so many things around here which are outside the scope of just seeing to make you believe. Whereas our opponents are basically trying to say only, and that's what their scope of work is, to say seeing is believing. So we've got so many options out here to look at. I'm sure that all of us out here have not only seen and believed something, but have gone by faith, by trust, by all these things, and have believed in people. Seeing is not the only way to believe. Back to you, Toastmaster Ronak.
1 minute of silence for judges. Some time for judges to mark their ballots. Now we have debater number 2 from affirmative side. When he gets ready, everyone knows that he is ready. So, is it Meenakshi Sundaram?
Yes.
Yes. So Meenakshi, have you pinned the timer?
Yeah, who is the timer?
The status is timer. So
Yeah,
Dashan
done.
Anand. So you have 3 minutes.
Yeah, but I'm not able to see myself.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So please put your hands together for DTM Meenakshi Sundaram.
Thank you, moderator for Toastmasters. All I can say is our beloved opponents, they have actually failed to see the point. And they are believing in something which is very subjective. So let me get into the point. As an auditor, of course, we are all auditors, we are all chartered accountants. What we insist to see the proof before we accept any point, even the points that they have discussed. Now, we are all chartered accountants. Even if a vendor gives you an invoice and say, someone calls you and say, just pay it, will you pay it? No, you will ask for proof of receipt, because seeing is believing. Now, you see our Laban man, Panchu, sitting inside a liquor bar and drinking something in this one. Will you believe it is Laban? No, unless you see what is inside, you are not going to believe. Seeing is believing. As an employer or professional, we want to see performance. We want to see the result before we accept. I'm not able to see timer now suddenly. Okay, I'm seeing that. Yeah. So we want to see the result before we reward them. Seeing is believing. I can go on. Even if you go out and say that Meenakshi is a man. First day when I came to Toastmasters, people came to see me to believe that Meenakshi is a man. Seeing is believing. Leave all the example. I will give you one more example. It's a story, a real story of Mary Anderson. She was traveling in a trolley car in New York City. And she noticed the driver was stopping frequently, sometimes getting down, sometimes rolling the window to clean the wiper because of bad weather, the visibility was affected. What she saw, she could see a possibility. And she invented wiper, which we still using. So when you see the evidence, you start believing. When you see the result, you start believing in people. When you see the possibility, you start believing in your ability. Friends, seeing is believing. Over to you.
Thank you, DTM Meenakshi. Moment of silence for the judges to mark the ballot. Venkat, you can remove the spotlight. Because
I think it's removed.
Yeah, it's removed. I removed it. Yeah.
So because the timer is not getting pinned, so right now I can see the spotlight on the speaker, right? Okay. So can we have timer? Thank you very much. Can we have the affirmative second debater from the affirmative side?
Yes, I am ready.
Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, I can see now. Please put your hands together for the gentle giant of ICAP, DTM Raghu Iyer.
Thank you very much. Friends, today the scope has been extended. just because you just cannot justify your point that seeing is believing, you just expand it. You bring audit into life. I cannot believe it. Do I have to go and check what Panchu is drinking in a Laban bottle to find out whether it is liquor or whether it is real Laban? I don't need to do that. Take an example. Seeing is believing. Most of you have passed your CA exam. Most of you have passed unbelievably. Do you know why? Because one question paper, costing exam, you are never sure whether you will pass or not. I was not sure. I was a sure failure. I believe that God will help, whom I have not even seen. And I passed that time. When I did very well, I failed. Did I check my paper? Nobody showed me my paper. But I have to believe that I'm a chartered accountant today standing in front of you and debating. Second point which I want to make. People, this world makes you believe and then makes you see. For example, when I went to Louvre in Paris, I was made to believe first that Mona Lisa is smiling. Actually, when I went and saw, she was not smiling, but the world is saying she's smiling. So subtle her smile is. I could not believe it. Go and check yourself and then come back. My worthy opponent also said, Neil Armstrong has landed on the moon. Did his partner see? He was the only one who saw. Full of controversy, conspiracy theory. It was shot in a Hollywood studio. Can we deny the fact that there is a fluttering of flag on the moon? And why did the US never land for the last 60 to 70 years on the moon once again? I cannot believe that we go by all this theory. Vaccine, yes, some said believe that vaccine works. There are more than 40%. Google it and see. Just now I saw 40% of the population believe vaccine doesn't work. Just by seeing the vaccine, they are not believing. What are we talking about? Are we really believing that seeing is belief? No, we are extending our scope beyond what we can perceive. Okay, I will give you one more example. Recently this month, Salvatore Garau, he sold an imaginary sculpture for $18,300, 15,000 euros. The sculpture was not visible. It was only in his mind. He auctioned it, and there were people who bought it, who auctioned and bought. Seeing is believing. Nothing. It's an imaginary thing. So, friends, I strongly believe seeing is just not believing. Over to you, my friends.
Thank you, DTM Raghu. Few moments of silence for judges to mark their ballots, please. It seems Raghuji has many more points, so he is giving his points on the phone to somebody else. So now we have the technocrat giant DTM of ICAP Toastmasters, speaker number 3 of affirmative side. Please put your hands together for DTM BVS Pratap.
One second, I need to pin the timer. Who is the timer?
Yes.
Sorry.
Timer, the name is timer.
Okay, my name is the timer. Got it. Okay, got it. I
Yeah,
am pinning the timer. Yeah, I pinned it. Great.
So you can start whenever you are ready.
Okay, that's pretty interesting. Wait, hold, guys, please. Not it. Technology problems. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters. I was all agog to listen to my worthy opponents, and I was expecting them to come up with points after points after points. Unfortunately, they disappointed me. That's the only point they made. It looks like everybody's actually saying, I saw this, I saw that, I saw this, and that's why I believe this. Excuse me, that's the whole point. We're saying you see and that's why you believe. Okay, let me give some examples. When we said, how do you become chartered accountant? Excuse me, but how do you know that you're a chartered accountant? You have a certificate to prove, you have something to prove, right? Then you went to Mona Lisa and you checked yourself, and that is how you knew she's not smiling. That is what you're seeing, and that's why you're believing. What is happening? You believe before is what? That is a false belief. But what actually happened later is the right belief. So you got the right belief by seeing. That's exactly what we're saying. Only once you see personally, you'll be able to have the right belief. Before that, you have false belief. We talk about the magician. Magician shows a false belief. Of course, we know that he's showing a false belief. That is exactly our point. When you see behind the scenes what exactly is the magician doing, that's when you get the right belief. Vaccine, excuse me, I went to Google and saw it. So you saw it. That's exactly the words Raghu used. I'm not even putting words in his mouth. Okay, so what exactly is the whole discussion about? So you agree with us. Fine. Thank you guys. Punished. We are finished. But anyway, since I have some time, let me discuss a few more things. Okay, let's start with this whole thing about this perception, the pramana of seeing. This is not now. It is there since at least 9th century BC. When we talk about Aranyakas, in one of the Aranyakas called as Taittiriya Aranyaka, they have mentioned Pratyaksha Pramana is one of the ways to prove things. And that's like it stood the test of time. So something which stands test of time for so many centuries. Why? Because people believe it. Only when you see something, that is when we say, I saw this, that's why I believe it. I saw it with my own eyes, that's why I believe it. That's what we say. So I was expecting people to come up with something very concrete, but nothing was there. Okay. And we clearly said that, seeing cannot be, it's just a perception. It doesn't need to be only physical, because if you look at the definition of seeing is believing in any of these old texts, it is very clear where it says that seeing means perception through any senses. So that's exactly what we're saying. You perceive through senses, you perceive through theory, anything. So that's what is all about. So seeing is definitely believing, and thanks for agreeing with me. There's nothing else to add. Thank you, Toastmasters.
As clinical as BVS Pratap. So now we cannot leave this DTM debate without a twist. Otherwise, DTMs will not feel challenged. So there is going to be a twist in this debate. We will take an audience poll, and audience will give one more opportunity to one of the members of each team to speak again for their case. It is not a summary. We have not reached the final summary. So one more round. So audience poll, Toastmaster Venkat will, before he launches the audience poll, audience are requested to choose whom they want to listen.
Is there a rebuttal from the other side?
Is there a rebuttal pending?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, then it's my mistake.
Panchu.
My mistake. I'm going ahead I'm going ahead of myself. So now I request DTM Panchu to put his case forward. Please put your hands together for DTM Panchu.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters. Debate master, you have to believe that even I'm still available there. Even seeing, you are not believing at all. Even I put my screen on. Okay, coming to the point, Toastmaster worthy opponent Sanjay Gupta said evidence on which they are doing auditing and everything. Actually, if evidence is there and the auditors are looking into the evidence properly, then there should not be any case of Satyam Computers closing down. Actually, you have to see Corona. If you see Corona, I see, then only I believe. Seeing is only believing. There is no chance. You have to believe there is a corona, there is a vaccine. So that is available in the market. If you say that I can only believe corona, then only I can believe. Sorry, guys, you have to understand. Why only Vivekananda see the God? Why other people are not able to see the God? I don't understand. If God is there, then everyone should see that. Somebody said only Vivekananda has seen. Everyone has to believe that? No, sorry. I cannot believe that. There are so many gods available, like Nityananda, Shiva Shankar, Baba, all are available. You go and see them. Then only you know how what they are doing, the superpower they have. Every day the fake videos are coming. Do you believe that all videos are okay? First, you have to see the, understand the, you have to first understand the worthiness of the fake videos. Okay. There are WhatsApp forwards. Every day I'm getting so many WhatsApp forwards. If you start seeing that, yeah, this WhatsApp forward is good. Yeah, this is correct. One day they say egg is good for your hair loss. You can save your hair loss. If that is the case, then Ronak should not lose his hair. He should be using every day is too many eggs actually. Okay. Then Meenakshi's fake ID. I saw today Meenakshi, somebody has created a fake ID. If they say seeing is believing, then I should see that, okay, this is Meenakshi. Actually, it is not Meenakshi. I asked him. He said, sir, somebody has created my fake ID. Don't believe. Whatever you are seeing is not to believe. Okay, that is what he said. So, see, friends, one thing you have to understand. Everything you cannot believe unless with the supportings, and that supportings you have to investigate that. If that is the case, why property documents are duplicate property documents are created and so many frauds are happening in the property registrations? Why it is happening? All whatever you see, it is not actually fact. You have to go more than that and see that. Okay, over to you, debate master. Thank you.
Thank you very much, DTM Panchu, with your punch. Now, as I said, there will be an audience poll, and the audience will select one member from each team. Now, it has been statistically proven that the affirmative team, because the debate starts with the affirmative team and ends with the affirmative team, we will give in this particular round first chance to the negative team and end with the affirmative team. So can I request Venkat to launch the poll, and all audience are requested to select one from each. It is from each of the team, which you want to listen or you want them to speak again.
We have still few more members yet to vote. Okay. Okay, now fine. 3, 2, 1, done. Mr. Ronak, shall I share the result?
Yes, please. Can you share again? Okay, so we have from negative team DTM Raghu and affirmative team DTM BVS Pratap. So we will request DTM Raghu. The time for this particular round is 2 minutes. Please pin the timer. Please put your case, DTM Raghu, once again. Please unmute yourself.
What is the time allowed?
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
So this is basically table topic on table topic, is it, Ronak? 2 minutes.
Topic is there, but tables have turned.
Okay. So tables have turned. So it
Is
should
it-
be opposite side. Sorry, Raghu for disturbing. Opposite side or in same side now?
No, you are on the same side. I'm not technically
Okay.
accurate.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, dear friends. How many of you know personally? How many of you have seen me personally? You know, most of them call me the gentle giant, the giant who is 6.1 and weighing in 3 digits. Let me be very honest. But how many of you know that I participated on June 21st and did 27 Surya Namaskar? Seeing me, can you believe it? Okay, next point. I have one more point. How many of you have heard about synthesia? Synthesia is a perception, what our opponent used, where sound is heard and they say we see sound and they color it. The best example is Jack Coulter. If you see, seeing is believing, hearing is believing, and he is giving a color to it. It's a totally different world, and there are 2 to 4% in the world who have this synthesia. Do a research on it, and you will find out more about it. So basically, seeing is not everything in life. Seeing is not believing. There are many things. For example, same Vivekananda, he asked one of his devotees who doubted whether there is God or not. He doubted. He said, who is sitting next to you? The boy said, is my father. He said, did you see? And how do you know that he is your father? Did you see that he is your father? No, but you believe because you have that faith in you. And that is the most important thing in life. Seeing is not absolutely believing. Over to you. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity once again.
Thank you, DTM Raghu. Now, I will request from the affirmative side, the people's choice to present his case. Please put your hands together for DTM BVS Pratap. DTM BVS Pratap, you have to spin the timer.
Okay. How do I do? 1 second, wait a second again. I think every time, I don't know why it's being removed automatically. Every time I have to do this. Where is him? Let me see.
You have to
I can't
see
the
The timer, the white,
Oh, wait. Yeah.
the
It's
white
back.
display. Yeah.
Somebody pinned it for me, I think. Thank you. Thank you, my worthy opponents. I think what Panchu has covered is all about he saw that, he saw this, and there was nothing much to add. So he was basically telling that if you want to see evidence properly, that is one thing he said. So you have to still see it. Then you said something about, seeing you, what is that? Sorry. So you have to see supportings. That's what he said, right? So that's both. So seeing is what still we are talking about. When we come to Raghu, we are telling, seeing me, can you believe that I did Surya Namaskar? No, I won't. But then if you show me the video which you did, I will. So seeing is definitely believing. Back to the point. So I was thinking of one small thing which happened today. In the morning, early morning, I was trying to read something and I forgot my specs. I could not see properly. And I was telling, what is this? I can't believe. And my wife said, you didn't wear your specs. So I have a faulty vision. So if I can't see something, am I to blame my vision that what the truth is there? So I'll have to correct my vision, but I have to see it properly. Seeing properly solves the issues. So what about synthesia now? I just looked at it. It says it's a neurological condition. Guys, give me a break. We're talking about a neurological condition, disease, and we're trying to prove with that. And that condition, what does it do anyway? You are listening to something and then you are seeing. And because the person is telling you that he is seeing, you are believing it. Come on, I don't believe it. Maybe it's a neurological condition, fine. I don't believe it. That's the only thing you can say, right? So seeing is believing definitely. But if you talk about faulty vision, not your fault. You need to correct your vision. Somebody is colorblind, somebody is half blind like me, somebody is differently abled. That's a different story. But what is there? You need to see properly. You need to see in the right light, like the magician, like anything else which you say we cannot see properly, we should be able to see properly. So for example, I think again, we are saying about supporting Satyam case and all that. So there we did not see things properly. We saw some nonsense. We should see proper evidence. We should have gone to the root of the case. We didn't do that. So seeing is believing. Thank you.
Thank you. Now is the time to summarize, and I would now like to call upon the negative team first, Captain DTM Shaukat, to summarize the debate, the points. Be mindful that no new points can be added. Please put your hands together for DTM Shaukat.
Thank you, because I don't need to add any points. They have proved my point. They had to say seeing is believing. They couldn't justify it. They went on saying seeing is believing only if. Toastmaster Pratap also went on saying the same thing. He went on justifying the point that seeing only is not enough to believe. He keeps on saying that, please go further, do more, go further, do more. Why? Please, you're not on my side. You should be on your side. Toastmaster Meenakshi says the same thing. The Laban incident. Oh, if you see this Laban, would you believe it? No, obviously you will not believe it. He's proving my point. I am so grateful that we have 6 people talking the same thing. That only seeing is not enough. And that's what this topic is all about. Because they can't justify it, they have been trying to expand the scope. There's perception. He talks about Vedas without giving references, all sorts of things, just to expand the scope so that they can get some ideas and tell us what it is. We are saying the same things. Seeing only is not enough to believe. Thank you for supporting me, all 6 of you. Back to you, Toastmaster Ronak.
Thank you, DTM Shaukat. I'll give some time for the judges to mark the ballot. DTM Sanjay, you have marked the timer. You have 2 minutes to summarize. Please put your hands together for DTM Sanjay.
Thank you very much. In fact, I must thank not only the audience who are listening us very patiently, I must thank my worthy opponents as well, because what I found, they were more enthusiastic. They were in a tremendous zeal to negate whatever is being spoken in support of the resolution. Seeing is believing. They believe that they have negated all the assertions made by us, whereas we see that they have actually supported all the assertions which have been made by us. They have taken the shelter of some examples like Mona Lisa, intangibles, UFOs, or Surya Namaskars. All of these examples have been negated by DTM PVS Pratap. And I am really delighted to see the debate unfolding. I have never seen the opponents being so friendly, means so friendly match, that really elevating me and motivating the team so personally. I'm really happy and thankful to you guys. I started with the motion saying the Cambridge Dictionary says that the people, what they see, they tend to believe it to be true and that it exists, irrespective of the fact that it could be highly unlikely or unexpected. Now, this motion stands. This motion stands. It has never been negated. So we truly believe that seeing is believing. And I thank you all for supporting this motion. Back to you.
We'll have some moments of silence for judges to fill up their decisions and make their decision. Well, with this we come to the end of a golden debate, a 400 meeting, well-deserving debate which we witnessed from all the DTMs. It was amazing for all of us to see, because we rarely see them participate together in a contest. So this is something of a trailer which may come as a whole movie in the coming years, where the contests will happen. It was a great experience for all of us. I'm sure we would have all learnt from the animated presentations by some of our DTMs to the more logical ones, and it was a real cocktail of communication. So thank you once again for joining for this debate, and all the best. Back to you, Toastmaster Karthik. Yeah. Kunjan.
Kunjan. Toastmaster Kunjan.